In this interactive video, you'll put your knowledge to the test. After watching the tutorial on Google Forms and Kahoot, you'll answer questions to check your understanding of the basic concepts and tools. Get ready to challenge yourself and consolidate your new skills in digital assessment. Every teacher knows this feeling. The stack of tests, the endless hours of grading, and the challenge of giving timely feedback to every student. What if there was a better way? Digital assessment helps us move from this analog, paper-based world to a more efficient, digital one. It's about leveraging technology to make the assessment process easier and more effective for both you and your students. Question 1. Based on what you just saw, what is a key difference between traditional and digital assessment? A. Digital assessment is always more difficult. B. Digital assessment is more efficient and allows for quicker feedback. C. Traditional assessment is more accurate. D. Digital assessment can only be done on mobile phones. Now that we've seen the bigger picture, let's get a closer look at our first tool, Google Forms. This is a great way to create quick formative assessments. Let's walk through the steps together. First, give your quiz a title and a short description. Next, add your first question and choose from multiple choice, short answer, or other options. Once you've written your question and the answer options, click on the answer key to select the correct answer. You can also assign a point value, so Forms will automatically grade it for you. This is where the magic happens. Question 2. If you want Google Forms to automatically grade a quiz, what's the first thing you need to do? A. Email the form. B. Set the question as a long answer response. C. In the answer key, select the correct answer and assign points. D. Change the form's theme. As students complete the quiz, you can check the Responses tab to see instant insights into their performance. This data helps you understand which concepts need more review. You get a clear, visual summary of how the class did, which questions were easy, and which were challenging. Question 3. How can the charts on the Google Forms Responses dashboard help you? A. They tell you how much time each student spent. B. They show you which questions or concepts were most difficult for the whole class. C. They allow you to edit students' answers. D. They give you a list of the worst students. Now let's switch gears to a tool that turns assessment into a fun, competitive game. Kahoot. Kahoot is a fantastic way to review material and get your students excited about learning. It uses game elements like music, points, and leaderboards to create a dynamic classroom experience. Question 4. What is the main feature that makes Kahoot a gamification tool? A. Its colorful graphics. B. Its use of game elements like points, music, and leaderboards. C. Its fun name. D. The need for a teacher account. As you've seen, using digital tools for assessment isn't just about efficiency, it's about making learning more engaging and giving you valuable insights to help every student succeed. Now, it's your turn to start creating